Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching children. In the previous lesson, we have seen about planning and organizing, the first two functions of management, where we planned what to do and how to do, and in organizing, we just created a structure for the whole organization. Now, in this lesson, we are going to learn about staffing, the next function of management, because having a good structure alone is not important, but to fill the structure with right people is also very important. So in this lesson, we are going to see about the staffing process. First, let us see what is meant by staffing. Staffing is the process of management which is concerned with obtaining, utilizing, and maintaining a satisfactory and satisfied workforce, because this function of management totally deals with the human resource, and it is to obtain those resources, utilize it optimally in the organization, maintain it within the organization, and to have a satisfactory and satisfied workforce. Satisfactory here means the work done by the employees should be satisfactory to the organization, and the employees also should be satisfied with the pay scale, the returns what they get from the organization. So this is staffing. Staffing means finding the right person for the right position at the right time. So this is the key word of staffing. We have to obtain and maintain capable and competent people. We do not need just people, we need capable and competent people. And for all position, we need these type of people only. And this actually involves manpower planning, recruitment, selection, training, development, etc. So anything which is related to human resources is brought under staffing. And this staffing process, this staffing function of management, it recognizes each and every person in the organization. Let it be anybody in the hierarchy of the organization structure, each and every person is recognized. Whoever is employed in the organization is recognized in staffing. And it is the basic aim or the primary objective of staffing is to fill the empty shells with the right people that was created with organizing. So in organizing function of management, we created the organization structure which is like a framework, which is like an empty shell, and to fill that we need staffing function to be performed. Now we'll see the features of staffing. Staffing is an integral part of management because no organization can exist without human resource. So, human resource plays a vital role in the function of any organization, and that human resource is obtained only through staffing function, and that is why we say staffing is an integral part of the management process. And staffing is pervasive, it is performed at all levels in the organization. It's not that we are going to recruit only the top level or only the workers. Wherever we have any designation to fill right people, we need staffing process. And staffing is a continuous process, because we do not know when any vacancy will arise in the organization. So it is not only for the new organization, even for the existing organization, we need staffing function to be performed. So it is a continuous process which will go ahead till the lifetime of the organization. The main feature of staffing is it deals with people, that is, it deals with human resources, and it has a wider scope. Like many activities are involved, like previously we have seen, the planning of manpower, recruitment, selection, training, development, education. So all these will come under staffing process. So it has a very wide scope when compared to other functions of management, and it is a multiple objective activity because it has to fulfill its responsibility towards organization, employees, as well as the society. As it is dealing completely with human resources, it has multiple objective and not single objective. So these are the features of staffing. Next, we'll see the importances of staffing. The first importance of staffing is filling job with competent personnel. This word personnel pertains to the human resource. So we need to fill each and every job of our organization with the competent personnel. We need competent personnel not only to be productive in the organization or in the company, but we need them to be developed as future managers. So those people who are competent, even if they join in the lower cadre of the organization, will try to achieve the highest objective for themselves and for the sake of the organization. So we need to fill the job with competent personnel. Then is better performance. Staffing ensures that each and every employee of the organization performs to the highest degree as possible, as much as possible by every individual. So that is why we say staffing involves with placing right person for the right job. Okay, so if the right person is recruited for the right job, then definitely the person will give or perform to the highest efficiency possible. Okay, next, survival and growth. It is the key. Staffing is the key to other managerial function, because all manpower is supplied only through the staffing process, and it ensures continuous survival and growth of the organization, because many managers are produced through this staffing process as we recruit right person for the right job. And it helps in optimum utilization of human resources, because we know pretty well the resources in the organization should be used optimally. And as staffing deals with human resource, this human resource is optimally utilized by staffing function. And because of the manpower planning, we may recruit people, and we will know clearly whether we do not overstaff or understaff, but exactly we will match the uh, requirement of human resources with the available workforce. Okay, then this improves job satisfaction and morale. Job satisfaction to each and every employee is a basic necessity in any organization, because the employees also should get some job satisfaction, and only when they get that, their morale will increase. They will have a high moral value, so that the absenteeism reduces, they'll be regular to the job, and they will be committed to their work. Okay, and they will give their fullest contribution to the organization. So these are the importances of staffing. Thank you, children.